Hey everyone, today we're testing this tire inflator that is also a power bank. This little guy is the GOOLOO GT160 dual tire inflator, and it's way more powerful than it looks. Let's see what it makes it stand out. And this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the GOOLOO GT160 dual tire inflator. Okay, so let's see what it comes inside the box. This is the tire inflator. In the top it has a USB-C connection, USB-A connection, LED light, and the thread for the hose and the vent to keep it cool. In the front it has the display, the buttons, the bottom nothing, back and sides nothing. Here's the hose, some attachments extra, cable to charge it, USB-C to USB-A connection, the manual, and a back pouch to store it. And this is everything that comes inside the box. Okay, so here you can turn it on. Okay, you have to hold it for 3 seconds. That's cool. With this one you can change the type of inflation. This one is regular, custom, for a car, for a bike, for a bicycle, and for a bulb. Cool. And you can change the PSI here up and down with these arrows. And it has a light on the top. You have to hold it for 3 seconds. And then hold it to turn it off. That's cool. And hold it for 3 seconds to turn it off. And these are the key specs. You can check them out here. So if you're looking for a tire inflator that is powerful, fast, portable, and dual powered, the GOOLOO GT160 is worth checking out. It's perfect to keep in your car for emergencies and road trips. Drop a like if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more quick gear reviews. You can find the GOOLOO GT160 link below. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and see you on the next video.